These are the new aluminum hood hinges that I got on Amazon. My old plastic ones were torn and breaking. So there's no instructions, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna have your piece that goes on the fender. And you're gonna have your piece that goes on the hood. So the hood has just your two standard holes. Your fenders, if you have aftermarket ones like these metal cloaks, they come with a variety of different holes to choose from. I think I'm going to use the one that's furthest out to clear the hood when it closes. So we'll see how this goes. All I did was start the screws. So one underneath, very self-explanatory, and two on the hood. So I'm just going to start both sides, and I can tighten down and make sure the hood's lined up nice and even. It does look really, really good. This kit also comes with some spacers, so I'm using these against the metal fenders and against the actual bedliner side exterior of the hood, so that'll help protect for any scratches. See it right there behind that, and over here, right there underneath. One little hiccup here is getting this bottom bolt secured underneath, because as you're trying to tighten it, it's just spinning the bolt with it. And it comes with 3 different Allen keys, and this smallest one fits on the bottom hinge here. So there's a rod inside here, so I had to take that one out as well as the other one, so I can get to this one with the biggest Allen key that comes in the set to lock this down and tighten it to the fender. Then I can put this latch back in here, tighten these back down, and then tighten up the hood.